What's that? What's that? Woo! Oh God! Bunny! Where is it? Why did you give me up so late? Dude, you snoring. I know it's no, I can't help it, it's a medical condition. Can you give me one more chance? Yes, I will. But you gotta get to bed. Try not to snore. Oh, that'll be hard. Well, you gotta try. The big creator's watching. And he doesn't want to be disappointed. Oh, wait. Glitchy J is watching us? Yes, he is. And we better make him pleased. Well, he doesn't really care about being pleased, but I want to make him pleased. So just don't snow. Okay. I'm gonna go get a bed. That's better. Okay, try not to snow. Come on, Bonnie. Try not to snow. I won't snow. Just think to yourself, I won't snow. I'm thinking to myself. Okay, I'm gonna go sleep now. Woo! Oh, God damn it! Bonnie! Bonnie. Yes? Why you got me up again? You were snoring again. You going down the pit? No, don't take me to the pit. Anywhere but that. Sorry, Bonnie. It's the only place. No. Oh no. No one ever survives the pit. Devil, why did you do that? Well, sorry, little bunny. But it had to be done. Why couldn't you spare him? Why? Why the tragedy? Why? Oh, he was part of my kind. How would you like it if I throw a devil down there? Just because he snored twice. You're right. Yeah, gotta go get him. Gotta plan a rescue mission. Hey, Captain America? What? Yes? Get to the team. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, all here? Yep. Bunny, you be the rope. Got it. Captain America, you stay up here and hold the rope. I got that. You might accidentally fall, so you gotta be careful. Okay, I'm gonna climb down the rope. Oh no, the rope fell. Okay, I'll have to use my powers. Bunny teleport. Oh. Little bunny teleport. What the hell just happened? Okay, we're here with Bonnie. There it is. Bonnie. Oh God, this is a lot. Sunshine and Big Bear? What are you guys doing here? He's the only person we can talk to, and polar bear's getting quite boring. So we have a new friend. Let him go, you big jerks. Not until you beat us. Okay, I know karate. Yeah. Up. No, little bunny. Why? He was so young. I'll have to teleport him. Lie back. Think of thoughts. Telekinesis. Oh my God. Oh, bunny, he's your little brother. Go get him. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on. Okay. He'll be perfectly fine. Just needs about a month of rest. Okay, gotta go down the hill. Teleport the magic. Fling magic. Quickly, Bonnie. Oh, what's the point? I'm just a failure. I'm a failure. You're not a failure. You may snore, but you're not a failure. The one thing you are is you try. You tried. That's all that matters. Well, thank you. Okay, that's the concentration moment. Teleportation. Oh no, please don't leave us. We're lonely here. Me, Big Bear and Polar Bear, we're all lonely as pillows. Wait, Chica's down here as well? How did she get down here? Captain America, can you explain this? Oh, well, she kind of fell down and I have amnesia, so I too completely forgot. Okay, let's just jog my memory. Well, all of us were lonely. I'll see what I can do. Telekinesis. 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 On my face. That smells like poop. Telekinesis. 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 And telekinesis. Wait, what is this world? This is the start of a new series. You may think it's just all about him snoring. No, it isn't. This is the beginning of a new series. I am back. I am here for revenge on them. Whoop. Oh, God. Walking down a giant fuzzy bear. Oh. Giant fuzzy bear. I got. Bonnie, what happened to you? Oh, I snored and I got chucked down the pit. Wait, who is that? It is your old pal. Oh, no, help me.